some thought today. Path of life. Here is the a long quotation for path of life. I think I am expertise thought about the affection and release of the nature towards the human. So most of all, it is very much effective to all the environmental thought, all the neighbor thought of your house or your family. So first, I like to say a quotation of 20 line. Then I will be understand about that. So question is: let symmetry to every life. Let symmetry calculating to your life. Let's forgiving activity to the believer of Thakur. Let some amounting of their equal qualifiers. Let's got a specific act on the positive thought. Let make a variance to other. Let initiating to others equality and change. Let forgive attitude to their own. Let simultaneous to act exact condition in your joy. Let all are in their exact qualifiers to their specific path on it. Let aggregate to all the limitation and believer of exact positive atmosphere. Let synthesize to all the habitant and civilization tendency. Let for a goodwill to other, but for you your function, but for your thought. Let give value to other when he or she is unhappy. Let a reliability to your exact situation in the universal accordance to your value of living. So let one could find a specific calculating of its value, and still it have to considering in their life cycle. Then one could able to forgive to other whatever it take a partial existing in their environment. So I like to describe in this matter. It is some word are describing this matter in short form, and I like to say, please subscribe my channel, subscribe and view my channel, and by which I will be little encouraged about the thought and getting you the lots of inhabitant thought and release some knowledge about the Thakur and the system of the way what I think about it. Thank you. Namaskar.